Welcome to our channel. Today we take a trip into the realm of ultra-modern military technology. Our point of interest? The unbelievable transfiguration of the Russian S-70 drone successfully upgraded into one of the most lethal destroyers in contemporary warfare. The Okhotnik or Hunter has long been a subject of fascination and speculation. This Russian S-70 was unveiled in 2019 and was designed to be a stealthy, long-range unmanned combat aerial vehicle. Recent upgrades, however, have made it an awesome force in battle. The S-70's journey began in the early 2010s when the Russian Ministry of Defense decided to develop a new class UAV advanced enough to be able to cooperate with manned fighter aircraft. It was developed by Sukhoi, one of Russia's major aerospace companies known for its rich heritage in military aviation. The S-70 was initially designed to be a surveillance reconnaissance drone for the Su-57, a stealth fighter jet. Its main function was to operate in the reconnaissance or electronic warfare roles, gather essential information and jam enemy signals. However, progression to the contemporary world has seen the center gain more importance in its general functioning. Indeed, the combined force of the Su-57 and the S-70 proved to be very efficient in the battlefield. The S-70 can fly ahead of the Su-57, locate and eliminate all threats before the manned aircraft enters the range of harm's way. The combination of these two capacities increases the general efficiency of the Russian airborne activities. Now let's look at the more technical aspect of the S-70. This drone has a wingspan of 20 meters and maximum takeoff weight of 20 tons. As far as stealth design is concerned, the plane has low radar cross-section, which almost makes it invisible to enemy radar. Possibly the most defining upgrade is the improved S-70's engine that enabled it to travel and maneuver more freely. Also, today's drone comes with artificial intelligence, which means that the drone can make decisions on its own once it is in the mission. As it has been specified earlier, it is the function of an AI system that is present in the S-70. Its huge volume of data is processed in a real time, selects objectives, evaluates dangers, and makes decisions in short terms. This frees up control, thereby enabling higher order control and coordination which cannot be directly overseen by humans. The improved S-70 is not just a watchful bystander. It is now militarily equipped to the eyeballs and designed to deliver every common category of air-to-air missile, air-to-surface ground ordnance such as precision-guided bombs, and electronic warfare systems. During combat operations, the S-70 is capable of gunnery and making attacks on several targets at a time, thus being of immense value in support of ground troops and other aircraft. This makes it very useful in contemporary warfare because it is capable of functioning in hostile territories. In recent military displays, the S-70 demonstrated versatility of its lethal functionality. The unmanned aerial vehicle was able to complete comprehensive tactical objectives, which proves that the drone can perform single mode and also interact with other equipment. The successful upgrade of the S-70 has strategic significance of tremendous proportions. Besides which, the tensions continue to build in the international arena, the S-70 offers Russia a unique technological advantage. Its highly advanced functions are somewhat instrumental in maintaining peace, as it acts as a strong warning sign to anyone who dares to challenge the superpowers. All of these features reflect to upgrade the S-70's performance and have connection with the change of the military tactics. Thus, by purchasing the S-70, Russia embodies itself in a sphere of contemporary warfare, where the unmanned and, to a certain degree, autonomous systems are critically important. The use of S-70 is not restricted to conventional warfighting or combinations of warfighting and peacekeeping. It can also contribute to the sacrifices and efforts of counter-terrorism operations, border protection, and to a certain extent disaster response. That is why it can become truly irreplaceable in various contexts. Looking even further into the future, there is even more in store for the S-70. Further studies to advance its functions are currently underway with the goal of incorporating new technologies in its system and extending its efficiency in other spheres. What is more, it represents the warfare of the future. Thus, our mission is to explore further development possibilities to propose perfect tools for our armed forces. It may be said that the act of turning S-70 into one of the deadliest destroyers in the contemporary war is one of the greatest proofs of humanity and progress. As this phenomenal drone flies, it brings hope for safe society free from any security threats. We sincerely appreciate your interest and participation in this overview of the future of Army equipment. In case you liked this video, do not forget to like it, share this video, and subscribe to watch more detailed videos on state-of-the-art technologies. So, until next time, keep asking questions,